Hello, hi, Kolumka, Hambai, Jibai, Te Kolumaya Purujot, Chiniti Prasata Kuksung Kuksung, Police North Sanamusungo, please, North Anio video no, Joyawi Naitandi, Tamhimbo Motini Kuno politics Nikokia, okay, just English Cock Sanan is Sermana say, okay, Kabuma Salsikango and Nova video Sanamka North Bagay, Kabukasama Sarakisa Sowitonka. Abang bagi tinita wisa hai norok kunibus kang fapika tanu hingga norok wan sok mana ano ang kabung makko politics ni kokno sajago politics mane do fani kok do fano bahai ke rungri manai tamika ani ochara ni bumung nangka rungdi tei prasa dofa mane rungdi tei prasa dofa ta rungdi tei prasa dofa ke sini tei prasa no rungri ni bagi jas sapano mungsa kisah bisa ang jes simani no norok sirne bagi se anggo ane ochana ni bumung rungdi tei prasa dofa ke abnor gina ang waisa usio politics ni poko chini do farakna sirina nayo chini do fa busuk bobahai abon tei bus nabong ke norok jajakai ba jajago jajagai ko jajagia pia tinini je o video ke English speaking course eba English kok salainani okay omo kuno pori jomai student sokni bagai bia but borbo khanai mano okay oro jenoka chuk tangai dada bachai bai komui manai song okay kaka kaki burise bura charai khanai jotono o video no nai mano tanimba chung nogo tong tutui ingkhaino ayang uyang thatutui barini samung tang tutui jefrufana chung kok salainani loi khlai mano loi khlai ka hangke chung kono sai mano oro tai kuno grammar nangya mungsa nangya okay chung chini amani kok sanani no chung grammar serunggida kok salaiba Sara bas azai khai ka heno bisisa bisinu risimi kana kok sanan cheng thango aro tai kuno grammar nangya just salate rung thangnani tik omo haino English kok bo salate cheng rung lainani abuni bagese ang mokno thungno bagi saksari tongo so video choya khlai nai thangdi tei je video nai tangra please subscribe khlaidi puila nugui tongkhang kai like share tai comment khlai jabai di okay ingke chung haino nogo tong tui jasa pana chung kok salanya nanglana nogo tongkhai jasa kok no pana nuk chung kok ma salayo a jasa kok no a kok ni bisingo chung thaisa khlai kok no English bai bahai ke salainai a kok thaisa na chung thaisa khlai turuk khlai kabang ma kok no chung salanai serengnai ingke a kok ni bisingo no je kok thaisa salbrum na salaijago a kok no tei na tini serenglai granai abne ulo chung tai kubni kok salainani serengnai okay hello hi to everyone okay so friends if you watching this video for the first time you watch the video till the end because this channel it's my channel I am teaching to my people to speak English to my people means Tiprasa people means the tribe from Tripura means the indigenous people of Tripura. It's called Tiprasa, and the language is called the borok language. And I am teaching to my people, to my borok speaking people, to learn English, to speak English. So, besides it, you also can learn our language. Okay. So the language is called borok language, the language of Tiprasa, indigenous people of Tripura from northeast India region. Puila tinini kok ane kok jeng tini sermani kok kai angbo kok no romka obong kai je jeng salbrum no salaijakna nangmani kok abong kha phai tongo tini hinlai bani eba phai tongo obai ra hin salai blana ingke okok no इंग्रेजी bai bahai ke salainai ingke o jaga phai tongo mane sabo phai tong khorok busuk phai tong nang sabo phai tong ta khorok busuk pal khai da phai tong khoroksa khorok ne khorok busuk phai tong a kok nang salainai ta chung ayadiba ingke phai mani to joto no phai no nang phana phai mano ang phana phai mano borok pal phana phai mano eba bo phana phai mano borok kunui borok kutham borok pal amde phai mano na nik abon sing tini selainai je o phai mane kokno phai tongo mano जों बाहायके साना नां जाहाय आं फाइ दङ हनि सानानै जों फाइ दङ हनि सानानै ब फाइ दङ हनि सानानै borok फाइ दङ हनि सानानै abono English kok bai tamon hin hai diba इंगे जों शॉर्टकट फाइ दङ हनि हिमानो English bai ke actually just coming नहीं हनु दो simple English bai just coming फाइ दङ हनि हिता इको English bai फाइ दङ just coming हिता इको just coming abono no ang फाइ दङ जों फाइ दङ ब फाइ दङ borok फाइ दङ अमो बाहाय ख्रै साना नां abo जों किसा सोलों थानाय ग्रामाटिक या दो अब ग्रामार सोंना तानाय दिन र just practical से थांबि practice खायदि बुक बाय सानानि लय खायदि practice ताइको हम देखेছে सोंनाय abono पहिले सेकेन्ड फाइदि जों ओ वर्ड तमो फाइ दङ ओके abo माने इंग्लिश बाय के बनो न just coming abono आं फाइ दङ ब फाइ दङ जों फाइ दङ borok फाइ दङ abono बाहायके इंग्लिश बाय सालायना दा जों abono no सोलोंलायनाय फाइदि ओके okay so first one in kok borok ang phai tongo ang phai tongo in English I am just coming I am just coming okay rung pai kha ke abai ti obating thani ta jeng kok borok bai ke rung mani bagi ang phai tongo ni lai de ba khatsa oma hin English bai ke abo hai man nai ta I am just coming ko abo hai kata okay next in kok borok jeng phai tongo in English we are just coming okay the next in kok borok bo phai tongo in English he is just coming okay the next in kok borok phai tongo borok phai tongo in English they are just coming they are just coming okay so obai hin bo saiman bana ang tabuk no phai tongo hin bo hilai blana okay so next in kok borok ang tabuk no phai tongo in English I am just coming right now I'm just coming right now okay tabuk no right now okay the next in kok borok jeng tabuk no phai tongo in English we are just coming right now right now. We are just coming right now. Okay? The next, in kok borok. Borok tabukno phai tongo. Borok tabukno phai tongo. Borok tabukno phai tongo. In English, they are just coming right now. They are just coming right now. They are just coming right now. Okay? Buzi kana? Borok mana English by they nenu. THEY. My dear friends, at the end, one thing I want to get noticed to you, that in our Kokborok language or in our Kokborok words, the word here you might see phai. Okay, no? Phai is a verb, coming. Okay, no? Also coming. Phai means coming, whatever it is, verb. Okay, the word phai in our Kokborok language, while we do speak ourselves amongst us, we do pronounce in different way also, like phai. Okay, phai, we do pronounce this way also while we do speak amongst ourselves. Okay, phai, like ang phai tongo. Instead of, we do pronounce this way also, like ang phai tongo. Ang phai tongo instead of ang phai tongo. Same as bo phai tongo instead of bo phai tongo. Same as borok phai tongo. Borok phai tongo instead of borok phai tongo. Means they are just coming. They are just coming. Okay, borok phai tongo. Okay. So you might understood, my friends. Instead of phai, you can pronounce this way also, phai. Okay. Ang phai tongo means ang phai tongo, ang phai tongo means I'm just coming. Ang phai tongo or ang phai tongo. Bo phai tongo or bo phai tongo. Borok phai tongo or borok phai tongo. Okay, this way. Phai. It's the same word, same meaning. Okay. I hope you understood, my friends. Okay, hingkai tinini bagai asuk no. Dada bai kumui, dada basui bai kumui, kaka kaki gabak no. Kulumaya paro. Norok kafe norok sungi manai nei. Okay. Bai thak khajing norok thani koimung. Ani o channel no norok, please like, share, subscribe, tai comment, klai ja bai di. Kulum bai ka jotono no hambai.